versus the state. Pinckney versus the state is 236 Georgia Appeal 744. So the idea that a limiting instruction should accompany the fact of a guilty plea with regard to a testifying co-defendant is well entrenched in Georgia law.
And again, I believe that those cases relate to the circumstance as addressed in 80322, but I haven't looked at it, so I
All
can't
right,
say.
well,
with
take a
certainty.
minute and look at it.
Thank you. So speaking to Spradley, it says what the court has already said. In general, a guilty plea of a joint offender is not admissible in evidence at the trial of another joint defendant. This rule does not apply, however, where the joint offender is present at trial and testifies as a witness subject to cross-examination, nor does it apply where the joint offender's guilty plea is admitted with instructions that it not be used as evidence of the defendant's guilt.
Right.
Here, not only was the co-defendant present, so I'm looking for the 80, I need to pull up Pinckney and I'll do that now.
Okay.
Looking for the 80322 reference.
Your Honor.
Yeah.
Well, I don't want to interrupt.
And Your Honor,
Yes.
Vendetti, which was also cited, says the jury's verdict that the co-defendants were guilty is a hearsay statement. The exceptions to the hearsay rule provide for the admissibility of a final judgment of guilty as to a felony, but not including when offered by the government for purposes other than impeachment, judgments against persons other than the accused. And it specifically cites the Federal Rule of Evidence 80322. That's as to Vendetti. And I am again looking at Pinckney.
So it's clear that in Vendetti, I mean, the ruling court makes note of the fact that the convictions in that case by, the convictions of some co-defendants appear to have been offered for no other reason than to prove the convictions. No other basis for offering them was asserted by the prosecutor, and that's not what we have here. We have the prosecutor here, if she offering them basically is impeachment evidence, is substantive impeachment evidence.